Hello, my YouTube family. You're on the scene again with Cassie. And I'm at Killer Shrimp again. This is the, I think this is the, almost the last show of the car show of the season here at Killer Shrimp. They had one in Venice yesterday. I'm gonna just show you guys all the cars. I'm not gonna talk much. I'm just gonna show you. I'm sorry, but this is smooth. I'm gonna talk a little bit because I gotta show you guys. Oh wait, this is real tight. What? Just showing up on the back. Oh, that is nice. Look at the inside. The seats look like it needs repairing in this one. Otherwise, it's really nice. That's El Dorado. And the red car that I just showed you guys, that is, I don't know what that is. But, yeah, beautiful car. Let me show you guys the inside too.
It's like you can call them and they're like, oh, everyone's like 20 minutes away, but don't rush over. Yeah, we get a lot of love.
Check out this one. Oh, this one is really nice. Look at that. Look at the inside of that.
I got in it one time.
There, though. That's like probably my favorite. Is this car right here. I don't know why, but it's like it's my favorite. Look how the doors open. They're like suicide doors. I swear. Yeah, this is my favorite. Here's the pickup truck here. Engine in that. Okay, so these are the cars that we saw so far. Because I think I was standing up too close to it. So I'm going to just give you a visual of what you guys seen on it. Oh, this is really nice. I like that one.
Pearl on it.
Oh, I see it.
That's cool. But it's so low to the ground. Look at this one. It's like completely low to the ground.
No, we saw him. That's keep it an eye, man. That's stuck it up.
Oh, that's cool. He's got like blinds in the back of his car. Check out the trunk. Check out the trunk in this one.
No, yeah, 49.
Remember when I was here the last time, you guys, I missed basically the car show because I came too late. I made sure I came this time on time so I get to see all the cars. This is I don't know if it's going to be visible on this camera or not, but this is a really deep dark green that is like, it's beautiful color. It's emerald.
That's a Mercedes.
This is a Mercedes?
Yeah, it says Mecca. I'll make Mecca.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Don't look like a Mercedes.
It doesn't.
There's no sign inside either.
Oh, you know what? There was a car called it just says MERC. There was a car called Mercury.
Oh.
I think it doesn't look like Mercedes.
No, it doesn't, huh?
Probably a Mercury.
Okay.
I think maybe there's a Ford Mercury.
Oh, got you. Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's probably, I think it's a Mercury. Yeah. Yeah, the green is nice. What does it say? Oh, is that a Mercedes?
Maybe. Maybe it's a Honda and a Mercedes.
Right, exactly. That's true. I wonder what this is. We don't know if this is a Mercedes or not because the wheel says Mercedes. it doesn't have Mercedes in it. It just got Merc, which I don't know what that means. We're just trying to figure out if it's a Mercedes or not. This is a Chevrolet right here. Inside, this is nice. They kept it up really well.
Yeah, company. That was a family car. You hop in it. There you go.
Sometimes you get to go. You guys on Instagram.
I love looking at the motors and how they did the motors. This is a Malibu. It's clean. I did this car the last time I was here. You guys seen that one already in a video. You haven't seen this one yet though.
Did you confirm if Rob was doing it still?
I can hardly get. I can't really get a clear picture in SS36. I think I got that one the last time too I was here. Of course I didn't get this one. Oh, that's cool. That's nice inside. And this has a like an opening to the trunk, so it's kind of closed in. Beautiful day at the water today though. We're right here at Marina at Killer Shrimp once again. I missed the car show the last time that I posted, so I only had like a few cars that I posted that I actually was able to video and show you guys. This convertible is really nice. Look at the tires. Look at that one. This is another Bel Air. Deep. I know how to get the tires on this. That's a deep trunk is what I was trying to say. That's a huge trunk on this car. Like completely. And that's a Chevrolet. You guys want to see the engine on this? Well, the engine this clean, this can't be ridden. I think I got that one the last time. Got a lot of these Bel Air cars out here. Studebaker. I think I got this car the last time I was here. It was only like a few cars the last time I was here, and when I missed the show, I definitely got this one right here. And I didn't get this one. I didn't get this one. Those wheels are nice.
You know that? This is the 1970s.
Yeah. He looks familiar,
I got that one the last time I was here. And I got that one the last time I was here. Blue lights on this one. I didn't get this one.
Alright, hold on. Come on.
Okay, yo, Harry. Me too. Me too.
Oh, look, he's got 8 tracks. He's got 8 tracks in here. There's an 8-track cassette thing player. This is a Camaro. Look how clean this is.
Yes. Don't be putting her in a 68, 72 muscle car. That's not what she wants. Nope. It's not about to go fast. It's about the look. It is. And she wants that pink. Yes. The dark pink, Mary Kay pink. With white wheels. So if you're not with your wheels at some point, she may take your wheels. See what you're doing, bro. Gets done with his white wheels. We'll put them on the back. There you go.
Well, this is a Ford.
That's what I heard in that laugh.
Ford, what? I don't know. That's cool though.
I'm gonna go get her yogurt. Years ago, before the pandemic, we came to have a big crowd.
Well, I think he should have did a little bit more repairs or paint job on this car. I mean, it's in the car show, but this one needs a little bit more work.
Sounds like a sewing machine. Yeah, that's why you got solid rollers. That's the difference. Some lines on it, pretty safe. You can float it, so it's good. Depends on how you're racing it.
Volkswagen. Man. Mazda. Kia. there goes the fact that they're playing music now, which they was not playing before. So anyway, I do not own the rights to any of the music that's playing. I don't know how that's going to work. That's a 1972 Chevy Camaro Z28. I think my dad had one of these. Did I do this one already? I don't know if I actually got this one.
For me, I love them because I love to run.
This is cool. It's a 1939 Buick. $1939. It looks like the car Morgan Freeman was driving Miss Daisy in. That's what it looks like.
I hate to even bring that up. Yeah, we do it. Work the whole thing on AOD transmission. Yeah. And that they're in Gardena, Van Ness. But who were there by? Who would have known from? They were going to go for $100.
The engine is in the back of this car.
Oh wow.
See, there's the engine.
Yeah, they were.
It's in the back. Let's see.
Get a wheel off of a for that car.
I don't know the name of it. Let's see. The 1966 Squareback. Now this car looks fairly new, so I don't even know why this is in the car show. Like, what is this? It's a Chevrolet, but he's got it in the car show for some reason. 06 Ford. Oh, look, check it out. This is in the car show. So let's take a look at this. Let's finish looking at this right here. But I don't think I did. I don't think I missed any rows. I got that row right. Did I get this here? Yeah, I did. There's the engine's in the back of this car too. This is a Volkswagen. Oh yeah, I did get this one already. Look at the low rider card. Okay, so it looks like I got everything, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and check you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed the car show. I wanted to make sure I got down here early enough today to get all the cars. And I made it, so that's awesome. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And yeah, once again, you are on the scene with Cassie. All right, bye for now.